Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make green gram powder for babies. First, choose about 250 grams of high-quality whole green gram. Carefully clean them to remove any dirt or small stones. Then, place the cleaned grams in a bowl and cover them with plenty of water. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to soften them properly for the next steps. After soaking, thoroughly drain all the water from the green grams. Spread them out evenly on a clean, dry cotton cloth or tray. Let them air dry completely for several hours until no moisture remains. Once dry, gently roast the grams in a pan over low to medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir constantly until they become fragrant and slightly golden, but do not burn them. Once roasted, transfer the green grams to a plate and let them cool down entirely to room temperature. This step is crucial for achieving a fine powder. Next, transfer the cooled grams into a clean, dry blender or food processor. Grind them until you achieve a very fine, smooth powder. Finally, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger particles, ensuring a silky texture perfect for your baby. To maintain freshness, store your homemade green gram powder in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. It can typically be stored for up to 1 month. When preparing for your baby, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the powder and mix it with warm water, breast milk, or formula to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.